Hello kids, I am here again with the second video of sight words. So today let us start our video and we will learn and write the sight words of second set. So let us start our video. OR or OF of ONE1 HAD had BY by IN in BUT but NOT not ALL all WAS was FOR for ON on HIS his HOW how WAY way SAY say OUT out MAY may WHY why HIM him ONE1 TWO2 TEN 10 GET get WET wet NET net DID did NEW new TOO2 OURR BOY boy ANY any OLD old BEEB SET set RUN run MAN man OFF of SEAC AIR air